Welcome to the video tutorials for configuring Genlab ovens, incubators and drying cabinets. Our latest touchscreen control offers accurate and easy to operate features, and this video is one of a variety of tutorial videos that can be found online at www.genlab.co.uk/videos. This chapter is on how to activate and set profile control. The timer feature is only available on certain oven ranges. If you press the configuration key and see the screen has a timer logo, you can follow the steps in this video to change the timer function. If you press the configuration key and find there is no timer logo like this, you will need to contact your supplier to get a timer activation license key. This key can be upgraded in the field, so please contact us at enquiries@genlab.co.uk with your oven model and serial code. The timer modes can be selected as one of three functions: 1. Countdown timer, 2. Profile mode, and 3. Real-time clock timer. The home page will highlight which timer mode is activated as shown here. To change timer modes and adjust timer settings, enter the password 0381 using the up and down keys and press Enter. Press the timer icon. Make sure the Enable timer is set to Yes. If it is set to No, you will not get a toggle switch on the home screen as shown here. In this chapter, we are setting up the profile control to suit this sequence. Press Config, go to Timer Function, and then highlight Profile Mode. For Stage 1, enter 75, which is the starting temperature of the cycle. Press the down key and set Holdback to No, Event Relay to No, and Profile End to No. The Holdback feature will pause the profile timers if the internal temperature is not close to the desired set point, which will either be because the door has opened or if you set a value quicker than the oven can react. The event relay activates an internal relay that can be linked to a buzzer or door lock during the stage you are configuring. By entering No at profile end allows another stage to be entered next to a maximum of 8 stages. In this example, stage 2 temperature is then set to 100. Highlight the time parameter and set this value to 20 minutes. You can see the controller calculating the ramp rates when you change the time value. Press down so all the next settings are set to No. Stage 3 temp is then set at 100 and time set to 20. You will see the ramp rate is then calculated at 0, indicating a temperature soak operation for 20 minutes. Stage 4 temp is set at 150 for 40 minutes. Stage 5 temp is set at 150 for 40 minutes to program another soak. Finally, stage 6 is set at 50 for 30 minutes, and this calculates a -3.3 degree per minute ramp rate. To complete the configuration, set Profile End to Yes. Press the config icon, then Home, and accept these changes. You will notice now on the run screen you have a profile or manual mode. When set as manual, the oven will work in normal conditions. When set as profile mode, the oven will start to operate in profile mode and the stage is highlighted here. During profile mode, You are not allowed to change the set point of the oven until the profile is completed. However, you can press stop at any time and change the set point and run in manual mode. We hope you found this video useful. Please see our other chapters offering advice on the following functions at www.genlab.co.uk.